I do not mind that lash washer. Anyway, we got a wig today. Glueless, yeah. I really hope it's a really good glueless wig, because the other glueless wigs, I always have to spray it down. You see it, yeah. Ain't no way that I wash it out loud. I can barely hear myself. I'm trying to record. Shut the fuck up. That is so ghetto. But stopping this video so that motherfucker better not make no noise like that again. Oh, bitch. Okay. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we're gonna try to. I don't know how I feel about this damn curls. They just don't a bit shit. I don't know how to grow. And I tried to put spray in it, see if it was gonna help. I don't have any other brush.